Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video of B2 Codes. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can run JavaScript on your VS Code, like how you can do JavaScript programming on VS Code. So if you ask me what are the prerequisites to run JavaScript on VS Code, the first thing I will say is that there are two prerequisites, and the first one is you must have Node.js installed on your computer, and the second one is you must have npm installed on your computer. So if you don't know how to install, or if you need any help on how to install Node.js and npm, I have made a complete video on how you can do that. I'll give the link in the description, or I'll pin it somewhere out there. You can go and check it out. Alright, these are the prerequisites, and I'm going to show you that I have already installed Node.js and npm on my laptop. So to check that, I'll write node space --version. After pressing enter, you can see I have got version 14.x of Node.js on my laptop. And now I'm going to check the version of npm. For that, I'll write npm space --version. And after pressing enter, you can see I have got npm version 6.x on my computer. So I'm repeating that again. If you haven't installed Node.js and npm and you need any help, I have made a complete video. You can go and check it out. Alright, this is done. And the next thing to run JavaScript is that, so one thing, to run JavaScript on VS Code, this is just a game of two extensions. Like you have to download two extensions and you are ready to go. So for that, as usual, we're going to create a folder, and let's name this folder JS, and open this folder with VS Code. Alright, this is our folder JS, and here in the extension tab, we are going to download two extensions. So the first extension that we are going to download is JavaScript ES6. So this is the first one, JavaScript ES6 code snippets. I've already installed this extension, so it's showing like this here. So if you haven't installed, there will be an install button here. You can click on that and it will directly get installed on VS Code. And the second one that is required is Code Runner. Okay, the first one, this one, Code Runner by Zunhan. So I've already installed this, so you are looking like that. So it's showing like that. If you haven't installed, there will be an install button, and if you click on that install button, it will directly get installed. So these are just two extensions that is required to run JavaScript on your VS Code. So after that, okay, this is our JS file that we have created, and here we're going to create a new file which will be index.js. And after creating this file, here we're going to write the first thing that everyone writes after learning a programming language. The one is hello world. So to write that, we'll write console.log, then we'll write HELLOWORLD, hello world, and let's end this. And remember, you have to save after writing that particular program. So after saving this, if you run this program, you can see here it's written hello world. So that's how you can run JavaScript on your VS Code. Alright, I'm going to give you a different example now. Let's create a variable named phrase, and here I'm going to write strings are cool. Alright, let's do console.log, and here I'm going to use a string which is phrase. And remember, you have to save this. After saving this, if we run this here, you can see here it's written strings are cool. So that's how, these are just two examples of how you can run JavaScript on VS Code. Alright, that's how you can run JavaScript using VS Code by just installing two extensions. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again.